What's up, guys? We'll wait for everyone to kind of get in here and then we'll start. How was everyone's day? What'd you guys trade? Could everyone hear me all right too? Might as well do a sound check as well. AMD, ECRX, I suppose someone say Apple. Could everyone hear me all right? I bought a cell phone hold for the car so that I don't have to be holding it with my hands. Turns out it doesn't fucking fit on this car, so I had to return it, and now I'm still back to holding it with my hands. I'll give it another minute or two, and then I will start. I don't really have an agenda about what I'm going to kind of talk about. I just feel like I haven't done one of these in a long time, and I shouldn't be doing it only when I'm losing. I should be doing it when I'm winning as well. So let's see where my mind takes me today. How was everyone's weekend? Cool. We'll give it another minute. Stuck in traffic anyway, it's raining. What else? All right, I guess we'll start. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier, I don't want to only do these recaps when shit is not going well. I want to be doing them when stuff is going well too, because you need to see the mentality of the winning days and also the mentality of the losing days. And what I've been doing before is just only showcasing the losing days, because I feel like you learn a lot more from the losing days rather than the winning ones. So I kind of found myself not really doing a recap, and fuck, it seems like 2 weeks now, right? It seems like I haven't done a recap like this in like 2 weeks. And the reason why, because knock on wood, is I've been green 10 days in a row now, which is a great streak. It's a great fucking streak, and the profits have been adding up like crazy, right? So let's kind of backtrack, or kind of reverse engineer what happened, how I kind of did this, why I kind of did this, and what are the steps to have it continue going forward, right? So the way that I kind of did this is that I just dramatically scaled down my size. So I kind of went back to my statistics, and I recognized that my win percentage was like 78 or like 80%, right? My win percentage was great. But the reason why I was losing on my trades is not because of the stock selection. It was because I was getting in too big into the stocks based on, conviction in the setup, or based on the fact that, it was like, it was based on emotions, because, I found myself over eager by the opportunity. I found myself intoxicated by the opportunity. So what did I do? I just sized up. I sized up into almost everything, it feels like, because I've seen these setups so many times before that I just thought it's time to really kind of capitalize on it bigger. And what I kind of recognized is that, just because you're trading size doesn't mean that you're making more money. It's kind of crazy to say, but I've been trading with less size now, and I've been making more money than I was trading double the size. And the reason why is because I found myself being more nimble. I found myself having better entries. I found myself being more patient, right? So anytime you have a lot more size than you're comfortable with, any tick or any wick or anything that kind of just moves like a little bit, you feel a little bit anxious, or you feel a little bit nervous, and you don't trade well because you have too much size. You're not ready for it. And that's kind of what I was dealing with before, right? I was kind of just getting scared out of my positions. I wasn't really trading well. I found myself trading a lot more emotionally, and I lowered my size, right? So I lowered my size 10 days ago, right? And what I found is that, I'm being more patient for my entries. I'm being more patient for my exits. I am letting the stock wiggle a little bit more in my favor. And dude, the numbers are not lying. I'm making more money if not, I'm making the same money, if not more money, with less stress, less capital, less buying power, less risk. And dude, 10 days green in a row is nothing to like joke around about. The profits add up. And if you're making $10,000 a day for 10 days in a row, shit is fucking ridiculous, right? So my goal is to kind of just stop making these recap videos only on the bad days, but to also be making them on the winning days as well. And today was my number one goal in trading is not to be a fucking $100 million trader. I don't give a fuck about that. I just want to make the most money possible with the least amount of stress as possible, right? So today I worked for 2 hours, and now I'm driving home. And that is perfect for me. Made a great amount of money, and now I'm driving home. I mean, the traffic fucking sucks. I mean, how do I turn the camera on? The traffic fucking sucks, right? The traffic fucking sucks. But it doesn't really matter because I'm trading well. I have 10 green days in a row under my belt. November is historically a great month for small cap runners. It's normally a great month for me. But something that I'm kind of also being aware of during this month is that anytime a low floater starts to move around in November, you have to be extra careful with it, because you never know if that's going to be the DRYs or the KBIO or the AQXP, right? Because every fucking November, it's like clockwork, we get a fucking ridiculous runner. Most of the time, it happens during Thanksgiving week. So it's just kind of our benefit that we're going away to Hawaii during Thanksgiving week. And also, that's a good time to mention that, like, we're hosting a meetup in Hawaii on Saturday, November 24th, I think it is, at 11 a.m. in Hawaii. So if you're from Hawaii or you want to come meet me, Tosh, Bao, and Nico, just come to Hawaii. We're going to be there. I've never been to Hawaii. It's a fucking 12.5-hour flight. If anyone knows anything about me, even flying to California sucks. I hate it. So flying to Hawaii is not going to be fun at all. But, I thought to myself, like, I'm probably never going to go to Hawaii again, so might as well go with, like, Bao, Tosh, and all, like, the MIC guys, right? Plus, if I get to meet a couple of you guys, that's cool, too. So that's kind of cool. Another thing that we're kind of doing now that I'm sure a lot of people saw is that we're giving away 8 tickets to the New York Stock Exchange on November 30th. It's free. It's totally free. So the way it works is you go to the website. If you want, Tosh, could you post the link in this Instagram live, and so people could get on it? But basically, you sign up. It's free to enter, and you get into a drawing to have to go get a tour of the New York Stock Exchange with Bao and the guys from Speed Trader. And then after that, we're gonna take you out for a fucking steak dinner on us. So the 8 winners are gonna come to the New York Stock Exchange. They're gonna get a steak dinner on us, and then the day after, on December 1st, we're going to have a meetup for everyone in New York City, and we're gonna be giving away 2 front row tickets to a hockey game. So that's gonna be awesome. And all this shit is free. All this shit is free, member or not. So Tosh posted the link in the Instagram live. I'm gonna put this on YouTube, so I'll have the link in the YouTube box too. But yeah, it's gonna be a cool time. There was like, fuck man, I think like 500 people registered for the giveaway, right? So it's gonna be hard to only pick 8, but we're still working on doing more of these New York Stock Exchange giveaways. So our number one goal is to kind of give back, right? Our number one goal is to not take the money and put it in our pockets. It's always to kind of give back and provide everyone with like a cool experience. Because like, I've never been to the stock exchange before. I went last week to kind of see how it all worked. But other than that, I've never really been before. Bao lived in Manhattan for 8 years, and he's never been to the stock exchange. So it's just a cool experience to kind of go through it. So that's going to be fun. So here I am in November. My trades are going well. We have a great meetup coming up, and everything is going well. So now my sinister mentality is telling me like something is bound to happen. Something bad is bound to happen. Like, it's nothing good like this could last forever, right? So even kind of recognizing that, I'm taking a little bit slower with my trades, right? I'm taking a little bit slower today. I only traded 1 stock today, which was ACRX, I think it was. And the reason why, actually, wait, there's a cop here. I gotta go like this. If anyone knows, I got pulled over last time for fucking recapping and driving, and I got a ticket. All right. So I only traded ACRX today, and the reason why I traded that is because I saw a couple people on Twitter say that the data was known or the news was known and it was already priced in and this and that, and the gap doesn't deserve to be it. And usually I don't really listen to anyone else's ideas. I use them to kind of help form my own ideas. And my mentality on that stock was like, if it goes red, I'm going to short it. Low risk, high reward trade, you know what I'm saying? If it goes red, I'm going to short it. It fucking went red. It went red. I shorted at 480, and I think I covered at like 440, right? And that was it. That was the trade for me. And then I said to myself, if it bounces, and then it kind of unwound to like 420. And I said to myself, and I told the members, and I'm like, dude, if this goes to 450, that's the line that you have to short off of. It hit 460. I shorted at 450, and I covered at like 430. Made an easy 20 cents. It came to my level, and I shorted it. It didn't get to my level. I waited for it to get to my level, and then I attacked it. And that's the thing that kind of has been helping me better as well. It's like going back to my statistics, I've seen that my stock selection is good. My entries need a little bit more work. I'm getting some FOMO on my entries, right? So being able to recognize that and being able to see that has been great for me. It's been great. I've been going back to my statistics. I've been going through my trader view. I've been seeing what I've been doing right and what I've been doing wrong, and I've been trying to improve based on that, right? So another thing that kind of showed up my statistics that kind of made sense to me was that I lose the most amount of money on Mondays and I make the most amount of money on Fridays. So you think to yourself, why the hell do you lose the most on Mondays? And this is where Dr. Brett really helped me in this. And he's like, you're getting over eager. You're not trading on Saturday and Sunday. So you're coming in Monday with like a bunch of different ideas and you're pulling the trigger too fast because you're anxious and because you are getting too excited to trade. So recognizing that I've been red like for a bunch of Mondays, I put a post-it note on my desk today that says, on Monday, take it slow, take a breath, size down a little bit, try to improve. And today is a great fucking Monday, because Monday, the important thing about Monday is that it sets the tone for the rest of the week. So if you trade well on a Monday, your mentality is great for the rest of the week. If I trade poorly on Monday, you know, my mentality is fucked up for the rest of the week. And my goal is to make back that money all week and not to keep growing all week. It's weird to say that, but that's kind of the way these things work, right? So again, I'm happy with my trading. I didn't even have much size on ACRX. I think I had 15,000 shares, nothing fucking ridiculous, you know what I'm saying? But I made almost 50 cents a share on it, and that's where it added up, you know what I'm saying? So I found myself trading better. I found myself trading smarter, right? My goal, again, is always to make the most amount of money with the least stress possible. Do I want to make fucking $10 million a year and have no life and be depressed? Or do I want to make a pretty decent living while leaving after 2 hours of work? You know what I'm saying? So my day's not over after this shit, right? It's not like I go home and I sleep for the rest of the day. MIC is like a whole big part of my life. So what I do is I kind of work on the MIC business end as I get back from trading in the city, and that just takes up the rest of my day anyway, right? Because our goal, like, we can't do any of these cool giveaways. Like, they don't just appear out of nowhere. You know, I have to contact, you know, Speed Trader, I have to contact Cobra, I have to contact all these guys and make sure that, you know, it's beneficial to both parties, right? So again, a cool thing about the meetup on Saturday on December 1st is that it's open to everyone, and you get to come and meet the CEO of Speed Trader, Craig Manderson, right? And what other chance do you have to talk to a CEO of a brokerage, right? The guy's gonna be there. He's helping set up all the stuff. He's gonna be out to dinner with us and stuff like that. Same with Cobra. He was at boot camp. Chad Hessing. So what other opportunity is there for a little guy to meet a big owner of a brokerage firm and tell him your problems or tell him what you want to be improved on, right? So this event with Speed Trader is gonna be fucking kick-ass, guys. It's gonna be kick-ass. Like, you're gonna come, you're gonna meet me and Bao, you're gonna meet Craig and Don. You're gonna have a fucking amazing steak dinner. Like, the Capitol Grill is like one of my favorite spots to go to. Their ribeye is fucking amazing. It's fucking amazing. So I'm excited. I'm excited to meet everyone. Plus, we're also flying out the moderators of the MIC chat room to come to dinner with us as well. So we take care of the moderators in the room as well, right? These guys are helping to police chat. These guys are helping to keep chat clean. And the way that we're rewarding them is we're paying for their flights to come to New York City and have a steak dinner on us as well. You know what I'm saying? We take care of the family at MIC. We take care of everyone. And that's the way the community should work, right? That's the way a community should be. there should be rewarding members. There should be rewarding moderators for doing a good job. That's why we have the member appreciation program. We have so much shit to help the members out. So again, it's fun, it's cool, and the best part is, like, the week before we're going to Hawaii and we're having a meetup in Hawaii. So we get to meet people in Hawaii. Then the week after we get to meet people in New York. And it's just an overall cool experience. So again, Tosh posted the link in the Instagram video here of the sign up page for the Speed Trader giveaway. I'm going to put this on YouTube, and it should be in the description as well on YouTube. So yeah, I'm still driving, I'm still in traffic, so why don't we do some Q&A. I actually went to a really, really, really amazing steak restaurant on Saturday. So just a quick side note, obviously you should know by now, but I'm a fucking steak connoisseur. I love everything about steak. But also my second guilty pleasure is like chocolate cake. Like, I love chocolate, I love sweets. I have a very unhealthy eating habit, right? So I went to this restaurant on Saturday. It's called Strip House on 44th Street in the city. And they're known for their 24-layer chocolate cake. So not only did I have a great steak there, but I had a fucking awesome chocolate cake. And now, like, it might be one of my favorite, like, spots to go just for dessert. So you guys should try that place out. It's fucking awesome. It's called the 24-layer chocolate cake. I posted on my Instagram story on Saturday, but I think it disappeared. So let's see. So it's cool. It's cool. So let's do a Q&A, guys, while I'm still in traffic here. And it's fucking raining. Like, bro, I can't catch a break in New Jersey. Shit fucking sucks here. What was my play on AYTU? That was the $1.50 stock, right? I shorted at 151 and I covered at like 141 or something. I got like 10 cents out of it. You know what I'm saying? Bow. Fucking sick son of a guy. Yeah, so again, like I was saying before, like, Bow is going to be at the New York Stock Exchange. We're going to be at the dinner on Friday. We're also going to be doing the giveaway on Saturday. So it's an opportunity to meet me, Tosh, Bow, Nico, all the moderators in MIC. Sorry, it's hard to recap and drive because I'm on the lookout for cops. I'm on the lookout not to fucking crash the car. So yeah, trading has been really good. Trading has been really good. I feel happier in my day-to-day because of my trading. So that's the thing about trading that a lot of people don't really talk about, right? It's how much it affects your daily life after, right? Because, like, there's no way to sugarcoat it, right? I'm not gonna fucking bullshit around and say, like, if I have a bad day, I'm gonna be sad for the rest of the day. I'm not gonna want to eat. I'm not gonna want to go out. All I'm gonna want to do is sit home and watch fucking TV, right? But if I have a good day, I'm excited, I'm happy, I'm smiling, I'm trying to improve. And what I used to do is I used to only do these recaps on the bad days to show what it kind of feels like or what you need to kind of go through on the bad days. But shit, man, the reality is, like, I've been green 10 days in a row, and that's something to celebrate. That's something to talk about, and that's something that's really important. And the only way that was possible for me was to scale down my size. And what I found is I'm making more money with my scaled down size because I am not being scared anymore. I'm not being scared. I'm not being scared out of my positions. I am holding it for longer because I don't care as much. I'm not as emotionally attached to my position because it's not a large position. So I'm letting it wiggle. I'm letting it do its thing. I'm being more lenient with it. I'm trading a lot better with it. I'm being more patient with it. Like today, I made almost 50 cents a share on 15,000 shares. You know what I'm saying? That's $7,500. I'm letting the stocks work in my favor. I am letting them play out as I would see fit, because again, this all goes back to my statistics, and the statistics are, you could lie to yourself as much as you fucking want, right? As you could lie to yourself as much as you fucking want, but if you go back to your statistics and you see that every Monday you're losing and you're losing money after 11 a.m. every day, you have two options. Either size down on Monday, be aware of it and fix it. And also, if my trading is going downhill midday after 11 o'clock, bro, I'm not going to fucking trade anymore after 11 o'clock. And that's what I do. It's 11:48 a.m. right now. I made my $8,000 on the day, and now I'm done for the day. I'm driving home and time to go back and work on MIC stuff to give you guys all better experience, right? So Tosh just came out with a new member orientation video that's been doing really well and teaches everyone how to use Slack. It teaches everyone how to use the website. And we're working on a new series or a new video every Sunday for all members. These are all private videos. It's only for members, and it's going to be called our MIC How-To series. How to read level 2, how to trade off VWAP, how to do fundamental analysis, how to do X, how to do Y, how to do Z. And we're gonna have a full guide for all the members coming out every single week. And the first guide was how to use Slack, or the new member orientation. So I know Bao mentioned, because Bao is very, very good at level 2 reading. He's very, very good at tape reading. So he said that he's probably gonna be working on a level 2 video for all the members, how to read level 2. And every single week, we're gonna come out with a new video for you guys, only for members, on just educational lessons that could help people, like how to use Thinkorswim, how to sign up with Cobra or SpeedTrader, how to use a scanner, how to use this, how to use that. We're gonna be setting everyone up with a how-to series on how to improve everything. It's just how to get better, how to track your trades. Like, the possibilities are endless. And people are going to start copying it. It's cool, but their quality of their content is not going to be as good as ours, because they're doing it just to copy. We're doing it to actually genuinely help you guys. And Tosh is going to be the one behind this series. So if you have any ideas, or if you have any recommendations, or if you think there's a series that MIC members need to see, DM him or tweet him or email him and say, like, hey, I think this would be really beneficial for the members to learn. And you know what he's going to do? He's going to make a video on it on Sunday, right? So at MIC, we keep trying to improve. Complacency is not our motto, right? We don't want to be complacent. We want to keep offering you guys experiences. We want to keep offering you guys cool shit that no one else can kind of do. No one else is taking anyone to the stock exchange. No one else has met with the owners and been taken out to a steak dinner on them, right? So we're trying to do some fun stuff, and this is just the start. No one is going to take it. We have 2 front row tickets to a hockey game to give away on Saturday to everyone that comes. You know what I'm saying? Who's doing this shit? But they will all copy us soon. So it's all good. It's all good. Because at the end of the day, if everyone is providing a better experience for you guys, then we're all winning at the end of the day, right? So that's it, guys. That's it. Still stuck in traffic, but I just wanted to kind of just talk, because I don't want to only be doing these recaps on the bad days, right? Because what's the point of that? Why do people only want to see you when I lose, right? It's important to recap the winning trades as well, and the winning days as well, so that you could keep fucking doing the shit that's been working, right? You could keep doing the shit that's been working. So also, another thing that I've been kind of messing around with is, like, if you look at my P&Ls every day, there's either an Amazon, there's a Netflix, or there's a Facebook or an Apple trade, right? And the reason why is because, if we do end up entering a bear market or whatever the fuck it is, I don't give a fuck. I don't know anything about bear markets. I don't give a shit. As long as there's volatility, we're going to make money, right? I don't give a fuck if it's bear market, bull market, fucking chicken market. It doesn't matter to me. But being able to learn how to trade some of these Facebook and Netflix and Amazon stocks, even if it's with 100 shares or 50 shares or 300 shares or whatever it is, I want to be able to expand my playbook so that if the market is slow in small cap world, maybe I could scalp $500 out of an Apple or an Amazon, right? Just using technical analysis, using the lines, using the levels to risk off, right? So again, I'm testing stuff out. I'm trying to get better. My goal is to keep replicating the winning days. I want to keep replicating the winning days and having it fucking keep happening over and over and over again, because the way to improve trading is to do more of the winning, like have bigger winning days and have smaller losing days. So my losing days before was because, the stupid truth is because I was sizing in too big and I had to protect myself, right? I had to protect myself from being too large. Now that I've sized down dramatically, I have so much wiggle room. I'm trading so fucking well, like, knock on wood, knock on fucking wood, knock on wood. I don't want it to end, right? I don't want it to end. Like, being green 10 days in a row is a fantastic feeling because it adds up. $10,000 a day for 10 fucking days is great fucking money. But I am most proud of the fact that, I've been trading better. I am less stressed. Today I fucking worked for 2 hours. So, there's Pete. What's good, Pete? Do you want to go out for lunch? Do I want to go out for lunch? Nah, I can't today, dude. I can't today. I got some work I gotta handle. I got to make sure the MIC members get some better shit. They get some cooler perks. Maybe we'll do dinner. I mean, we'll do lunch a different day, Pete. Yeah, Bao's right. So yeah, trading well is great. Trading has been great. I can't wait for Hawaii in 2 weeks. I got my brother Alan to come. If anyone knows anything about my brother Alan, is that he's like a recluse. He sits in his room all day and he works and plays video games all fucking day. So it's really hard for him to leave the house. And the fact that he's coming to Hawaii is a big deal because, like, you know, I miss my brother. I want to see him. I want to hang out with him. He's a very successful guy, and he doesn't know how to take a break, right? He doesn't know how to take a breath. So him coming to Hawaii is awesome. I get to bond with my brother. I get to bond with all the guys at MIC, all my friends. I get to see Bao. I get to party with him. Like, everything's just been good so far. Everything has just been good so far. And I want to keep going. You know what I'm saying? I want to keep going. So the way to keep doing that is just to be aware of myself. We will... Pete, if Alan didn't come to Hawaii, I was actually going to ask you to come. But he ended up coming, so sorry. So what else? I'll do a quick Q&A because I'm still fucking stuck in traffic and it's raining. So if anyone doesn't know Pete, he's one of my closest friends and he owns a hardware store in New Jersey. So if you have any residential or commercial buildings that need paint at a very competitive rate, just hit up Pete in this Instagram chat and he'll hook it up. Pete, give MIC members a discount on paint. Give them 10% discount and I'll cover the rest. Hook them up. It's www.blvdhardware.com. So what else, guys? What else? Pete is actually, I went out with Pete to that restaurant that I was talking about earlier with the 24-layer chocolate cake. We went to a place called Escape the Room as well after. And what they kind of do is they put you in like this locked train or locked whatever it is, and they give you clues on how to escape. And I'm thinking to myself, like, I'm a fucking idiot. Like, there's no way that I'm going to be able to get these clues, like, figured out. And the girls that were with, I don't know if they were going to be able to figure it out, but it turns out Pete was fucking great at this shit. Pete was great at figuring out the clues and, like, getting us out of the train. So shout out to fucking Pete. It was fun, though. Next, we're going to pump Fit Tea. No, there's nothing really crazy to talk about trades today. I wanted to talk about consistency. I wanted to talk about sizing down. I wanted to talk about the Speed Trader giveaway. That's about it. So I'm on my way back home. It's almost noon. I'm going to pick up some lunch and then focus on MIC for the rest of the day. Stay in chat, help answer PMs. I'm always around, guys. I'm always around to help. Maybe me and Tosh are going to talk about what we could do as this week's series. So we're always working, guys. We're always working. But sign up for the Speed Trader giveaway. Sign up to get 8 tickets for the New York Stock Exchange, and we're going to take you out for steak after. Completely on us. All you do is pay for your flight and hotel into New York City. We're going to pay for the Stock Exchange meetup. We're going to take care of the steak dinner. Also, you have to be following Speed Trader. I think it's Speed Traders with an S on Twitter. What else, guys? Let me do a quick Q&A. Actually, let me show you how much fucking rain there is here. Look at this shit, man. Like, just fuck this, man. Fuck this. I'm so sick of this weather. Wasn't I going to do a new chat with traders? Yes, I was. And then me and Aaron weren't on good terms, so we didn't. So what are we going to do? We're going to start our own podcast. That's just the way we roll. Maybe first episode's gonna come out in Hawaii. Who knows? We got so much shit planned for you guys. We got so much fucking shit planned. We don't mess around. We really don't mess around. Because this is fun to us. We enjoy this. We enjoy doing things like this, right? Also, we have, I think it's over 100 free videos now on the MIC YouTube channel. So if you go on youtube.com/myinvestingclub, you'll see 100 fucking free videos of good information that could help you. So it's not that we only have the service for $179 a month. We have so many free videos on the internet that, like, why wouldn't you look at it? Why wouldn't you try it out? You know what I'm saying? So if any of the members are watching this video, we sent out a mass email on the new member orientation video. We have it all over our chat. It's like a quick 20-minute video that teaches you how to use Slack and how to use the website and some cool features and like some secret stuff. We're working with members to give automated messages in Slack. We're working with one member now whose name is El Deuterino, who is going to try to implement that every hour in chat, a trading fish quote is going to come up, right? How cool is that? How fucking cool is that? Every hour a trading fish quote is going to pop up in chat. So we're up to some cool stuff. And like Bao always says, if your mentality is right, your trading will be right. I am in a very good mental state right now. I feel very comfortable mentally. So I've been trading better as well. So I want to fucking keep this going. I want to stay focused. I want to keep doing what's been working and just cut out all the negativity in my life. There's so many trolls on the internet. There's so many negative people on the internet. Reality is they're all fucking broke. So I don't give a shit. I'm not going to let 1,000 people that say good things about us go in vain to 2 fucking losers that say negative things about us. At the end of the day, they can say whatever they want. They will not stop us. We are going to keep doing what we're doing. And if it pisses them off more, let them continue to build a shrine about us. We don't give a fuck. So, things have been going well. Things have been going well. It's all about positivity, guys. Take out the negativity in your lives. That's why I block instantly. I don't give a fuck. I don't look at the trolls. Let them, first they said I was broke. Now they said I'm rich. Then they said Bao's rich. And now they said he's broke. Like, it's like fucking CNN, dude. Fake fucking news. So, I'm chilling, man. I'm chilling. Let them keep saying what they want about me. They actually helped us. We got a bunch of new members because of their trolling tweets, so thank you. Keep trolling us. What should I eat for lunch today? I've been having Chipotle too much. I'm thinking maybe some Chinese food. Not to be racist, not racist or anything. Just want some good Chinese food. We're going to go to Europe in 2019. So you guys got to remember, MIC has only been open for 2.5 months. Only 2.5 months. We have over 750 members. We have over 100 free YouTube videos. We've done 3 meetups. We've done 1 boot camp. We're doing a big ass giveaway. And no one else fucking does this shit. No one else fucking does this shit. No one else does this shit. We actually give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? We actually give a fuck. Bao mentioned in his Instagram live story yesterday about what I did for my MIC paycheck. And I'm not really going to talk about it because, like, it's not really important. I'm not here to show off. But Bao knows about it, and that's all that matters. And it's like the money that, you know, I've been making from MIC, I've been giving it back and doing different things. All behind the scenes because I'm not here to kind of show off about charity work that I've been kind of working on or anything like that. But Bao knows, and that's all that matters. So our goal is to give back. Our goal is to improve. And, oh, that's a good point, Tosh. So we have some cool swag for people that show up on Saturday. Some cool MIC swag, 100% free. So if you come, I don't want to say what it is yet because everyone else is going to copy it, but we have some cool swag that we're going to give away on Saturday to everyone that attends. People are starting to copy us. Yeah, they're all going to start to copy us. But if it leads to having a better experience for every single member of a service worldwide, then it's good to know that we started that movement, right? Yeah, Don, you could get our swag. We got plenty of swag for you. Don, if you could bring some Speed Trader swag on Saturday for people that show up, that'd be awesome. No, you don't have to post about. It's probably better that people don't know that what I'm doing with the money, right? Because we're not trying to show off. We're not trying to tell people. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. As long as you know about, or as long as my closest friends know what's going on, that's all that fucking matters. Yeah, Bao could post the swag. Pete is in MIC chat. I think his name is Boulevard Hardware in chat. So again, if you need some paint, some high quality paint for whatever project you're working on, he could get you bulk quantity for good prices. So hit him up. Pete is a good friend of mine. Oh, okay, cool. Pete's got everything. Pete's got everything. Pete, if you want to come to Hawaii, we won't pay for your flight, but there's extra room in the hotel with me and Alan. We're flying on November 21st to the 25th, and we're going to have a meetup on the 24th for everyone. So, Pete, if you want to come and just hang out with us, just come with us. You know what I'm saying? Fly to Hawaii. Get to meet some members. And the last time Pete and Bao partied was in Vegas, and Pete walked back into the room at 8 a.m. And that was when I was going to give my speech at 9 a.m. And Pete came to Vegas for my speech. The motherfucker walks in at 8 a.m., passed out. He walks in drunk into the room, passed out. And then we go doom buggying and at like 12, at like 1 p.m., guy's drunk driving doom buggies. Oh, Tosh has a room. That's right. So Tosh is coming back. We have Tosh, who's a guy that's at MIC. He has a room that should have enough room for you as well. So all you gotta do is just come and pay for your flight. Take care of your flight and come hang out with us. We're gonna be in Honolulu. Yeah, Bao was mentioning that actually, you know what? Come to the meetup and we'll tell you the story about Bao and Pete, where they were and what they did. That's what we'll do. We'll tell you the story if you guys come. But it's cool. It's cool. So I think Speed Traders was the broker that Bao had a big P&L in Fannie Mae. I don't know if it was the big one, but it was definitely a big one from Speed Traders. So he's going to show people the P&L on Saturday as well. So you guys can come to that. We're doing a bunch of cool stuff. Yeah, it has to be an in-person story. So again, just to recap everything, Friday, 8 tickets to the New York Stock Exchange on November 30th. And those 8 winners will come to a free steak dinner with me, Bao, Speed Trader, Tosh, Nico, and the MIC mods. And then on Saturday, we're going to have a meetup in the city where anyone could come. We're going to be giving away MIC swag. And we're also going to be giving away 2 front row tickets to a hockey game. So why the fuck wouldn't you come? It's free. All this stuff is free. It's free. We're not selling you a DVD after. We're not selling you a seminar after. This is fucking free. But yeah, 2019, you're up. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap it up in the next maybe like 5 minutes. When are the New York Stock Exchange winners announced? Great question. It should be, I think, this Friday we're going to announce it. This Friday. Again, remember, we've only been in business for 2.5 months. And we've thrown a bunch of shit for our members. 3 meetups, a boot camp. We've given out a bunch of swag to members. We've done the member appreciation program. We're doing a meetup in Hawaii. We're doing a giveaway for the stock exchange. We're changing the game. We're really changing the game. No, there's going to be no strippers at the next meetup. Sorry. We give away too much free shit. I tell Bao all the time. I'm like, dude, we're giving away too much free shit. Like, we're spending too much money giving away so much free shit. But it's cool because, like, I love seeing the MIC brand and the MIC logo everywhere. So it's awesome. Yeah, everyone's been saying Bao's broke, Bao's broke. You guys got no clue, bro. You guys got no fucking clue what that guy is up to. You got no clue. But it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Keep saying. Yeah, if you need So Don is in this Instagram. Don is a guy at Speed Trader that's been helping to set up everything. He was in the promotion video as well. He's a really cool dude. Don's a great guy. All the guys at Speed Trader are awesome. But again, this is all thanks to them and Speed Trader. So shout out to Speed Trader for helping make all this shit possible. And we're working on a really cool deal for annual members that we're not going to announce yet because we don't know if it's ready yet. But Don knows what we're talking about, right? Don knows what we're talking about. So we're going to have a really cool setup for MIC members that are annual members going forward. And also a very cool gift for MIC members that are Speed Trader members as well. So my favorite steak is a ribeye extra seared. I love it. Or a porterhouse for two that I eat by myself. That's if I'm feeling extremely gluttonous. Or a tomahawk ribeye. Shit. You guys can't be talking about steak, bro. You guys can't be talking about steak. I have very bad discipline when it comes to this shit. I'll fucking make a steak for myself when I get home. Yeah, I got the extra sear idea from Bao. We had it at the, where did we have it? I think at Del Frisco's we went together. I can't remember. There's been, anytime Bao's in town to New York, I love steakhouses. So we're gonna go to Peter Luger's actually on Thursday when he's here. So Bao's never been to Peter Luger's, and that's actually my friend Peter's favorite place to go. He loves Peter Luger's. Yeah. We also had the 24-layer chocolate cake on Saturday, Pete. Yeah, Bao's coming to New York. He's coming to New York on November 29, I think it is, till December 2nd. That's for the New York Stock Exchange giveaway and the meetup and the moderator dinner. Awesome. It's good to do these recaps when I'm in a good mood, because usually I'm like down. I'm usually pissed that I lost a fucking Prius or I lost a BMW, and I talk about how much I suck and yada yada yada. But fuck, man, it feels good. It feels good today. It feels good to be winning 10 days in a row. It feels good to be trading well. It feels good to be having a good mentality, and it feels good to be starting Monday on the right foot. Again, if you're a member, look at the new member orientation video. We have a new video coming out every Sunday. Also, we're going to be having a video library on the website really soon. So all the videos are going to be organized and they're going to be in one central location. So you won't need the links for the unlisted video. It's great. It's great. I think the ticket to fly in New York City is like $200. Bao and Tosh flew in for like $250 to New York City because it's the off season. No one wants to fucking be in New York when it's raining and cold. So spend that $300 and come meet us. Come meet us. Even if you're not a fucking member, you'll be in the running to win 2 front row tickets to a hockey game. Pete, I think you should come to Hawaii, bro. I think you should come to Hawaii. Alright guys, I think I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to post this on YouTube. But if you have any other questions about MIC, or if you have any other questions about what is a starter pack or anything like that, just tweet at me or email tosh@myinvestingclub.com. We'll get you all the information. Yeah, that's it guys. That's it. New video every Sunday for members. It's going to be like this very much so going forward, because all these motherfuckers that have a DVD, all these motherfuckers that have this shit, they're all outdated, bro. They're all fucking outdated shit that no one gives a fuck about. But here we are every weekend giving you updated real-time shit that's going to help you. If you don't know what Thinkorswim is, or you don't know how to set up charts on Thinkorswim, Tosh is going to have a guide for that. We're going to have a guide for fucking everything. We're going to have a guide from everything. So, coming soon, guys. Coming soon. So, hit me up in chat. I'm almost home. I'm going to eat some food. I'm going to go back. I'm going to answer PMs all day. And then I'm going to work with Craig and Don and everyone, Chad, everyone, to get better deals and better opportunities for members, right? I want to have the best experience possible for members. And the only way to do that is to keep fucking working. So I don't stop, Tosh doesn't stop, Nico doesn't fucking stop. We work fucking 9 days a week. Very rarely do I have a minute to breathe on weekends, but it's all worth it, you know what I'm saying? So, talk soon, guys. Talk soon. Have a good day and just hit me up if you need anything. See you.